as there are tons of features available in Proxmox version 8.3, the enhanced SDN and firewall integration, and also a new webhook notification target, tag view for the resource management, faster container backup, and simplified guest migration for the OVA import, and then the support for SESQuid, which is the technical preview right now. So you can of course download it also if you want to install it on your server, which I have covered here. You can see how we can get started with 8.3.1 in a fresh and clean install. But what happens here that I have a version 8.2.2 which is already there of course, and if I try to upgrade that, suppose if I go to upgrade and here I try to refresh, if you have the Proxmox community edition, so what will happen, so I will just upgrade it. It will say me it is up to date because all the packages are up to date right now. But there is of course a workaround. You can still upgrade the latest release. We will add the repository here. So I have provided the link in the description. I have added all these commands here. So how to upgrade the Proxmox Virtual Environment to version 8.3. So this is a complete article where you will be verifying the current version in case you want to back up to make sure that anything goes wrong. So you should have the backup of your virtual machines and containers. And then you have to update the distribution and upgrade the distribution with current version, and then you reboot. Once you have rebooted, you need to make sure that you add this particular repository to your repository list, which is of course with pve-no-subscription. So Proxmox repository has to be added to make sure that you are able to update the packages. And then you have to update the Proxmox to 8.3 with this command. It will look for all the new packages and it will update, and once it is 100% updated, then you simply need to reboot. Once it is rebooted, you can simply verify it, and that's it. So let us continue and upgrade our Proxmox virtual environment. So what we will do, add this particular repository to your repository list, which is of course with pve-no-subscription. So I will paste in that command, and it will of course with sudo command we cannot add. So the repository has been added. So you can see here that this particular list has been added. So what we will do, we will get the GPG key. So we will just run this command, which will get the GPG key here. Here you can see. So we have got the GPG key. Now what we need to do, we need to do the update and upgrade the package. So we can run of course the same way we can do the update, but if I do apt update, it will get now the latest package list. You can see here 52 packages can be upgraded. So now we will do apt dist -upgrade. So it will upgrade to the latest version. Now you can see here kernel 6.8 will be available, and then if up down to, and all these packages which had to be updated, these will be updated now with the 3.2.4 and type yes. Now we'll wait for this to complete. It will upgrade our Proxmox virtual environment from Proxmox 8.2.2 to the latest release Proxmox 8.3.1, whatever is available right now, because we have already added a repository with no subscription in fact. So we'll wait for this to complete. Once all the packages will be installed, you simply need to reboot the server. So here you can see it is rebooting right now. All right, so here you go. Proxmox is now restarted. So let me open the web user interface, and here you can see Proxmox 8.3.0 is available. We'll again do app update and see if any new packages are available. So it is reading the package list. All right, packages are up to date. So app upgrade, here nothing has to be upgraded. So right now everything is up to date. So version 8.3.0 is available right now.